Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Kapoor. I'm part of the AI product management team here at Qualcomm. We are at the Build Conference 2024, where Microsoft announced the Copilot Plus PC based on Snapdragon platform. At our booth, we are showing a bunch of generative AI-based demos. The one I'm going to show you today is a VS Code plugin that generates code for you using the Llama 7 billion parameter model. All right, let's go into the demo. So I have the VS Code started up. On the right, we are showing the statistics of using Task Manager of different hardware on the PC. I've already installed the plugin, and the model it uses is a Llama 7 billion parameter model. Now I'm going to give it a prompt to write a code for me to validate an email address. Basically, it should spit out regular expression code, and let's give it a go. And as you can see, it has started spitting the code out. The NP utilization is pretty high. The code gives quite a lot of details. It's writing the regular expression for me. I have asked it to give me an example. So it's giving me an example usage here. And also it is writing the documentation to support the code for me. It's now ready. Let's give it a go and see if it can validate the email address for us. And as you can see, it considers the email address to be valid. And let me make an error in the email address and run the code again. And as you can see, it marks it as invalid. I was able to generate the code, write a code, and test it out within seconds, saving me a lot of time for code development. And thank you for watching the demo.